Imagine a 2.4L Dyno V6 that screams to 8,000 RPM, producing 190 horsepower. This is the ultimate rally car made street legal, hitting your 60 mph in just 5.5 seconds. With a mid-engine layout and a wedge-shaped body, it dominated the 1970s rally stages. Only 492 were built to meet homologation requirements, and you could opt for the iconic Alitalia livery. Weighing in at just 2,000 pounds, it's a featherweight with no power steering or driver aids, just pure mechanical connection. This beast won 3 consecutive WRC championships from 1974 to 1976. Originally priced at $23,000, it now commands over $500,000. This is the most purpose-built rally car ever made street legal.